Let's start with 4 brackets. The side that needs to be glued. Stick on the sponge pad first. Remember to distinguish between positive and negative. Align the 4 brackets with the holes in the bottom of the box. Screw on the hex screws and lock them. Method 1. The box with the bracket installed. Put it on the roof luggage basket. Measure the length of the horizontal bar to be adjusted. Tear off the rubber strip of the horizontal bar. There is a hex screw on each side inside. Loosen the screw 1- to turns. The other side is the same after adjustment. You can use towels and glue hammers to adjust here. Lock the screws tightly. The other method is the same. After adjusting the position of the 2 horizontal bars, at each horizontal bar, put into T-screws. Lift the tactical box, screw hole position on bracket card, and then we put it in position. And finally, install 4 quick release screws and gaskets. Just lock it. Method 2 on the bracket of Method 1. Choose a side. Install an extension bracket. Install 2 screws, gasket nut, and lock. Also on both bars, install 2 T-screws. Lay the bracket flat. Align holes. T-screw on card. And finally, install 4 quick release screws and gaskets. Just lock it.